I think, digital transformation, or at least how we see it, is for us in a company is a necessity that in terms of the work life every company has to deal with. It's a mega trend in terms of, how data is going to improve processes, improve organizations, change business models. It's going to change how we're going to create our products, how our products and services going to look like in the future.
And one of the biggest takeaways I took was the user journey and that user experience. Really understanding what the problem is, not just focusing on a solution straight away. And once you've identified the problem, then break it down to the ideas, solutions, and then relay what will be the best outcome for our employees at the end of that.
I'm very inspired by what happens and even how creative people could be, and especially increasing my toolbox with new methods, being creative, being constructive, and even also understanding that there's a bigger problem space compared to solution space.
This is like alignment between all of us, how to transform company into this new way. A lot of ideas about artificial intelligence and how we can implement this in our business.
I think digital transformation and organizational transformation, that really needs to go hand in hand. And we know from research it's only 30% is the digitalization. The other thing is the organization that needs to follow. People really enjoyed being here and really working on their culture at the same point in time on their digital transformation. So that was really cool for me to see. And it was an engaging event.
There will be another summit, probably not exactly in the same way, not with exactly the same participants, so it always has to develop, but I think it was a great start and we have to try to achieve something similar.
So we are happy that so many people attended to our first digital and organizational transformation event. And the core message we want to give to the audience is you cannot do the one without the other. So you really have to try the best on the digital transformation side and combine it with the organizational steps.